Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 27 Dauntless. What a beautiful boat this is. The light blue hull color is gorgeous. It's got the swim platform, which is great for getting on and off the boat from inside the water. Also powered by the Mercury Twin, 200 horsepower. It's a fast boat, hot freighter from plane, gives you a good top end as well. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 27 Dauntless. Start at the back of the boat. We've got a really big platform for fishing. You got rod holders here. You got 5 going across the back. It's non-skid, so plenty of room for fishing. If you're going to go out just for lunch or to the beach, or whatever, you can just lift up this seat. Very comfortable for 3 or 4 adults on it. So great combination there. We've got the Yeti, the little kitchen setup. You've got a very large live well as well here. And at the helm, the Raymarine touchscreen, so you got a very large Raymarine touchscreen. You can actually have room for another one if you really want to put a second one on there. You get the digital throttle and shift. And as we move to the head area, you got a large head. It's where the table is stored, and also a window in there for air and for extra light. And it's a pump out head. Moving up to the bow, you got a very comfortable sun pad up here. And then when we lift it up, it's got storage, tons of storage in here. You can put rods. You can have 5 rods in here. It actually locks, so you can keep your rods safe in here. But very comfortable for 2 people with armrests. And then you've got the cushions that go all the way around, and you get the seats that come up. So you get 2 lounges here. You got the sun top up here, and you've got the windlass, and then you also have the ladder up front, right up onto the beach. You don't have to get in and out of the water at all. It's just a great combination. So it's just a great all-around boat. If you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.